Ever wondered how the magic happens behind the scenes of your favorite websites? Intrigued by the invisible mechanisms that power the online world? What if you could understand and even create those mechanisms? Welcome to the fascinating universe of back-end development. Scene script. Picture the internet as a giant restaurant. The front end, the part you interact with, is like the dining area with its well-plated dishes and stylish decor. But the back end? That's the bustling kitchen, where hardworking chefs whip up your orders. Today, we're going to don our chef's hats and delve into one specific aspect of back-end development, creating a RESTful API using Node.js. Step 1, set up the environment. Before we start cooking, we need a clean and well-equipped kitchen. Install Node.js and Express.js on your computer. These are our primary tools for creating a RESTful API. Step 2, create a new project. Open your terminal and navigate to where you want your project to be. Type npm init to create a new Node.js project. This will generate a package.json file. Consider it as your recipe book where all your project's information and dependencies are stored. Step 3, install Express.js. Type npm install Express in your terminal. Express.js is a web application framework for Node.js. It's like a multi-purpose kitchen tool that helps you cook up your API faster and easier. Step 4, create your server. Now it's time to start cooking. Create a new file called app.js. This will be your main server file. In this file, you'll require Express, create an app using Express, and set up your server to listen on a port. Step 5, define your routes. Routes are like the menu of your restaurant. They define what resources are available and how to access them. In your app.js file, define a few routes using Express's get, post, put, and delete methods. Step 6, test your API. Just like tasting your dish before serving it, testing is a crucial part of API development. Use a tool like Postman to send requests to your API and check the responses. Now let's summarize what we've covered. We've set up our development environment and created a new Node.js project. We've installed Express.js and used it to create a server and define routes for our RESTful API. And finally, we've tested our API to make sure it works as expected. Mastering back-end development is like becoming a top chef. It requires practice, creativity, and a good understanding of your tools and ingredients. But once you've mastered it, you can create amazing things. And remember, just like in a restaurant, the magic happens in the back end.